Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome you all in today's video class. I hope you all are doing well and be safe at your home. I hope you all are watching videos. If you have any queries regarding to this subject, you can contact with me at any time. Already I finished two modules. First one is database management system DBMS and second one is computer networks and internet. So you saw the videos related to these two modules. So these two modules are completed. So let's start for today's class. In today's class I am going to start third module. This is your third module, first video class. Your third module is internet banking and internet marketing. Before starting of this module, we should know banking means what purpose we use, means what is the use of that. You know the bank, how exactly the transactions happens in bank, how we can withdraw money if you want money, how we can withdraw, how we can deposit money, how we can apply for loan, and how we can transfer funds from one bank account to another bank account. There are so many things we can do in bank that you know, but in today's class we all are gonna discuss about internet banking, means how we can do the banking work with the help of internet. That we'll see in this module. What you mean by internet banking, how we can do all banking transactions sitting at our home with the help of internet and any electronic device, for example your mobile, laptop or PC. Nowadays it's not necessary to go to the bank branch and do your bank transactions. You can do your work sitting at your home at any time. This facility is available 24 by 7 to you people. So you can do the transactions at any time, at anywhere, in any place. These days the coronavirus has spread everywhere, so people are afraid to go out and visit to bank branch to do their bank related work, and sometimes so much crowd in bank, so they have to stand in queue for a long time to do their work. So it's getting more time within this, in that instead of this they can do their bank work sitting at home with the help of internet and any electronic device, means for example mobile or laptop. Let us see what is the concept comes in this module. We'll see one by one. See here, as you see on your mobile screen, see this is your third module. Your third module is internet banking and internet marketing. You all are know banking means what, marketing means what, but how we can do the banking and marketing with the help of internet, that we'll discuss in this module. We'll see one by one here. See, as you see on your screen, this is internet banking with the help of internet and any electronic device, means for example laptop or mobile. With the help of internet you can do your work at your home. So no need to go to the bank branch and do your transactions, that you can do at your home. So we'll see what you mean by internet banking. Banking means what? See here, if you want money, so how we can withdraw. If you want to transfer funds, so no need to go to the bank branch and transfer. At your home you can transfer the money from your account to another account, so with the help of internet, that we'll see in this module. See, what can I do with internet banking? With the help of internet, what we can do? See here, internet banking gives us the facility, means it provides the facility to the user instead of going through the bank branch, means no need to go to the bank branch for do your work. For almost all of our banking transactions and services, through this we can do all the banking work at home or do any work from anywhere and any time. So this facility is available for you people 24/7. So with the help of internet and any mobile or you with the help of electronic device, mobile or laptop, we can do the banking work. Then send money from someone. Second one is send money from someone else account to your account. If you want to transfer fund from one bank account to another bank account through the internet banking, we can send money to any other person's account immediately. Means immediately you can transfer the fund from, means you can transfer the money from one account to another account, from one place to another place within a second with the help of this internet facility. Then get information about your account balance. See, if you want to see the transaction statements, if you want to see the balance, how much amount is in your account, that you can see you with the help of the internet. If you using the mobile phones, in mobile phone each bank application, each bank related applications are available that you can install in your mobile. So in that through that application you can see the bank statements, means whatever transactions happens in your account, that you can see in your mobile. So you can see the passbook on your mobile phone, otherwise on PC. So get information about your account balance, view the bank statements of the transactions in your account. Means what are the statements of transactions you can see on your mobile or on laptop with the help of this internet. So mobile means no need to go to the bank branch to see the balance, how much balance in your account. You can see the balance on your at your home with the help of this internet and electronic device. Mobile recharge, paying electricity, water bill, dish TV bill and other bills at home. Means if you want to recharge your mobile, so with the help of this internet banking you can recharge your mobile. If you want to pay electricity bill, no need to go to the your bill transactions office, and no need to stand in a queue for paying bills. You can pay immediately with the help of internet banking facility. You can pay your bills, water bill, dish TV bill, other bills, gas bills, any bills you can pay immediately. Then next one is shopping online. If you want to buy anything, so no need to go to the market and buy. If you want to buy at your home, you can buy, means you can do shopping online with the help of these internet facilities. Then booking bus, train and other tickets with internet. Means if you want to book the tickets of train and flight, so you can book your tickets at your home with the help of this internet facility, internet banking facility. Then next one is make your tax and other payments online and so on. You can pay your tax and other bill if you want to bills payment, that you can do online with the help of this internet banking facility. Then what is internet banking? What you mean by internet banking? See, the services provided by any bank are used by any computer, mobile or any other device through the internet, called as the internet banking. Means this service is provided by any bank with the help of the internet and any electronic device. Means for example computer, mobile, laptop, and we need a internet for this. With the help of internet we can do our banking transactions at our home at any time. This facility is available 24/7. This is called as a internet banking. Means no need to go to the bank branch and do your transactions. You can do your transactions at your home at any time. Internet banking is known by many names such as online banking. We can call it as internet banking, online banking, mobile banking. See, if you are doing your banking related work with the help of the mobile, so that is called as a mobile banking. Net banking means if you are using the laptop for that. So net banking, e-banking, etc. In mobile banking, we complete the bank's work on the mobile phone through the internet. So that purpose we need a net internet. With the help of the internet, we can do our banking work on your phone at any time and anywhere. That is called as the internet banking. Then advantages of internet banking. These advantages and what are the disadvantages of banking. See here, if you are doing the internet banking, if you are using the internet banking, there are some advantages of the internet banking, and there are some limitations also of internet banking that we can discuss in next video class.